The South Sandwich Islands are a group of small islands in the South Atlantic Ocean. They are far away from any big land, about 470 miles southeast of another island called South Georgia. These islands are special because they are made of volcanoes that are still active, which means they can still erupt and make new land. These islands are quite big, stretching for about 190 miles. They are also covered in ice called glaciers, which are like big, slow rivers of ice that never melt completely. The whole area that the islands cover is about 120 square miles, which is like having 120 big parks all next to each other. A long time ago, in 1775, a famous explorer from Britain named Captain James Cook saw these islands and said they belonged to Britain. But Argentina also said they owned these islands after 1948. They didn't have any people living there until 1976 when some soldiers from Argentina went there, even though Britain said they shouldn't. This caused some problems between Argentina and Britain, and in 1982 there was a short war over another set of islands nearby called the Falkland Islands. Even though the South Sandwich Islands are part of a British overseas territory, they are still far away from Britain. The British government also decided that the area where people can fish around these islands is much bigger now, going from 12 miles to 200 miles. That's a lot of ocean for fishers to catch fish, but it also helps protect the sea life around the islands. So, the South Sandwich Islands are cold, covered in ice, and far away, but they are still important for the animals that live there, and for the people who study the Earth and its volcanoes.